Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Fresh watermelons begin their journey from the farm.
Each melon is selected with precision.
The harvest is loaded for transport.
They are sent to the juice factory.
The factory receives fresh produce daily. Workers unload tons of watermelons.
The process begins on conveyor belts.
Machines sort them by size and quality.
Imperfect melons are removed.
The melons are thoroughly washed.
Brushes remove dirt and impurities.
Clean melons move forward. Machines slice them open.
The juicy interior is revealed.
Seeds are removed efficiently. The pulp is collected for processing. Juice extraction begins.
Fresh juice flows continuously.
The juice is filtered for purity. The juice is pasteurized for safety. Bottles are filled with fresh juice.
Labels are added for branding. Bottles are packed for delivery.
Finally, fresh juice reaches your table.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.